The topic of today's video is how to connect Webull to TurboTax. So here we are on the TurboTax home screen. We are signed in, and what you want to do is go to Documents on the left hand side here. And here in Documents, what we want to do is go to Linked Accounts. From there, we want to click on Add an Account. All right, now you want to type in the name of what you're looking for. So we're going to say Webull, and there we go. Webull Omnibus is what we want to click on. Okay, so now what we want to do is just click on Get My Form. This is going to open up Webull in its own separate window. And on the screen, all you need to do is put in your login information. When you're done there, click on Next and complete the CAPTCHA. All right, now they'll send you a code to your phone number or your email, depending on what you use to sign in. Type in that code and say Next. All right, so you'll see here I don't have any information, but this will be different for you because I haven't completed filling out my Webull account. I actually made one just for this video. So from there, all you will do is you will say import and you are good to go. And that's all there is to it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. Do consider liking and subscribing, and I'll see you in the next video.